Hello, my name is Alyssa and I work at the Maryville Public Library, and I'm going to talk today about some of the options that you can find on our website to use the library while it is not open. If you go to our library website, which is lcplin.org, as you can see up in the search bar, you'll be brought to this homepage. If you go down to our search bars and go to Research, you'll find a drop-down box and you can click on Online Research Tools. All of our databases have been organized in topics. You can go to see all databases, but for now, we're going to scroll down and find where it says Parents. If you click on Parents, these are specially selected topics that have information for parents as well as reading with your kids information. Down here, you can see that we have a little emblem with a house and a book in it. This means that these resources are only available at a Lake County Public Library public computer rather than at home. Anything that does not have that little emblem is something that you can stream from home. We're going to go down and talk about Tumblebook Library today. There are a few options for Tumblebook. We have Talking Tumblebooks and we have Tumblebook Cloud Junior. Both of these are more for school-age children to read by themselves. It's going to have elementary level books and options for ebooks and audiobook. In Tumblebook Library, this will have options for them as well as younger children who maybe want to reading picture books. When you click on Tumblebook Library, it's going to open up another page and it will immediately ask for your library card number and your 4-digit PIN. If you do not know your library card number or your 4-digit PIN, you can go over to our Help drop-down box and click on Ask a Librarian. Send in your queries about that to Ask a Librarian and someone will try to get back to you to help you out with that. If you go to Tumblebooks, it'll show you a page like this. There are a few different options. You can look at storybooks, read-alongs, regular ebooks, graphic novels, nonfiction. They have videos, language learning, playlists on different topics, and puzzles and games. If you click on a book that you would like to have read to you, it will show you what the book is about. It'll give you book details like the author, illustrator, publisher, as well as reading level and Lexile, and you can find more information about Accelerated Reader. You would go over to the little Read Online eye emblem and click on it, and we'll open up the book and begin reading the story to you with some animation. There are lots and lots of different options on the home page. So just like when you're looking at Netflix, you can look at different types of books. We have new books, quick reads, graphic novels, new ebooks, favorite storybooks, different picks, read-alongs. There are a lot of different options, but if you know what you're looking for, you can go up to the Tumble Search and it will give you an option to search by title, author. You can select by language, search by subject, and genre, even by Lexile level or Accelerated Reader. In the puzzles and games, those give options for some more interactive fun. We have new games, memory games, and games in Spanish. I hope you have enjoyed listening about how you can use Tumblebooks today, and please feel free to reach out to the library through Ask a Librarian if you have any questions or problems. Thank you and have a good day.